In this example, we are comparing the two graphs, and we're looking at the values specifically where x equals 4. We know this because we're looking for f of 4 and g of 4. Okay, so I want to start by going to those places. So I'm going to go to my origin here, and I'm going to count over to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because again, x is our horizontal directions. So if I look here, the point that I'm actually looking for is right here. Now, it's not quite 1. I'm going to call it probably 0.9. I mean, it's really, really close to 1. If you put 1, that's okay. In this case, we're just trying to compare the values, so approximate is okay. So I'm going to say here that f of 4 is approximately, see how it's kind of squiggly? 1. I would more likely call it 0.9. But because we're just trying to compare values, it's going to be okay. So now let me grab a line here. We're going to do the same thing over at g of x. So I'm going to count over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the point that we're looking for here is way up here. Okay? And looks like if I count up, f of 4 is going to be up 1, 2, 3, 4, which means I can say g of 4 is equal to 4. So next we need to make our comparison statement. So I need to say whether or not f of 4 is less than, greater than, or equal to g of 4. So basically I'm comparing 1, or approximately 1, to 4. Which is bigger, 1 or 4? 4 is bigger, right? Which means that 1 is smaller, so we have to start with 1. So 1 is smaller than 4. Another word for smaller is less than. So I need to make the statement that f of 4 is less than g of 4. Because we have approximately 1 versus 4.